If your caliper sliders threads have gone, and this is happening, then you need this repair tool, the Laser 5037. This kit allows us to put a new collar into the carrier or the hub, allowing a much quicker and cheaper repair. And best of all, it's suitable for most VAG vehicles, which is your Volkswagen, Audis and Skodas, and also many Fords and Vauxhalls. So the repair is really easy. All we need to do is select the correct spacer bar, fit it to the good slider, and then using the drill provided, take your time, just drill through like so. Then grab a new collar, tap it in, and now your slider will be nice and solid, good as new. If you need to get your hands on one of these kits, here's a link to our Linktree page where you can purchase one. As always, any questions, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you. And check out our other products. So, thanks for watching. This has been How to Fix It. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, here's some more great interesting videos for you to watch, and we'll see you over there right now.